In this video, I'm going to show you how to add live chat to your Shopify store using ProProof's live chat. This is going to be super easy, and by the end of this video, you'll have a working chat widget on your store so you can talk to your visitors in real time. But here's the cool part. There's a small setup trick that most store owners miss, and it can actually make your chat load faster. I'll show you that in a moment. Live chat can help you answer customers' questions instantly and even increase your sales, so it's worth setting up. So without further ado, let's get started. First, log into your ProProof's live chat account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly sign up with their website. And once you're logged in, go to the top menu and click on Settings, and then click on Website. So in here, you'll see your ProProof's live chat installation code. Copy this code because we'll be adding it to your Shopify store in the next step. And keep watching because where you place this code will decide whether your chat works perfectly or becomes invisible to customers. Now, log into your Shopify account. On your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store in the left menu, and then click on Themes. And then you see your current theme here. Click the three-dot menu button next to your theme and select Edit Code. On the left side, look for a file called theme.liquid and click on it. This is the main layout file for your store. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and find the closing body tag, which looks like this. Paste the ProProof's live chat installation code just before that closing tag. This exact placement is key. Get it wrong and the chat widget might not even show up. Once you've done that, click Save at the top right to apply the changes. Next, let's integrate the ProProof's live chat directly from your Shopify app store for easier management. And here's why this step matters. By doing it this way, you'll be able to control your chat without touching the code every time you want to make a change. Go back to your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings in the bottom left. Then tap on Apps and Sales Channels. So in here, click on the Shopify App Store button. And once you're in the store, type ProProof's Chat Store in the search bar and press Enter. From the results, select ProProof's Live Chat and Chatbot, click on it, and then click the Install button. And then Shopify will ask you to confirm, so click Install App again. And in just a second, I'll show you how to preview your live chat so you can see exactly what your customers will see. That's it. Now you've added ProProof's live chat to your Shopify store. Switch back to your Shopify dashboard and under Apps and Sales Channels, you'll see ProProof's live chat listed under Installed. Click under the My Store to preview your site, and here's the moment of truth. Refresh your store and you should now see your live chat widget at the bottom corner of your store. This is what your visitors will use to chat you in real time, and in a moment, I'll give you one quick tip to make sure that customers actually use it. And that's how easy it is to add live chat support to your Shopify store using ProProofs. Now you can talk to your customers instantly and help them right when they need it. And my quick tip, add a welcome message in your chat settings so customers feel invited to start a conversation. I've added the link to the description so you can check out ProProof's live chat for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you on the next one.